Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. So I haven't covered Natgas in a few days. I think it might have been a week nearly. I've been so busy, it's unbelievable. But that's great. I mean, I won't complain, but it's been crazy, so I couldn't keep up with all the videos that how I normally would do it. But I hope to get back to the usual routine quite soon. And but good news is not too much happened here on the Natgas chart. I'm still looking at two possible interpretations. So let's start with the yellow count. The yellow interpretation allows for one more low here on this chart. Yeah, depends on how I count this. We could say that this is within the yellow count, which as per this interpretation, yeah, could be an impulse actually to the downside. This is the larger degree fourth wave in yellow, which basically fits this wave 2 corrective rally from November 22. And one more low is still possible, still likely, especially as long as we stay below resistance, so below $4.09. I still think this is a valid interpretation that we say we had a wave 1 down, wave 2 up. Then here, a small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave 3, then wave 4, and wave 5 could still happen. It's still possible. And it's mainly still, I still have that on the chart, that potential, mainly because this move to the downside, especially the last leg down, which started in October 2023, it was only a 3-wave move down. I mean, it's kind of weird to call it complete. It can always be a truncation, right? It can always be counted. Maybe this was the actual low, but it made a higher low actually. So it's a bit ambiguous, and I cannot clearly lean towards a low being in. I'm tracking the upside. I give you the support area, but I also tracking the support to know that in case we break it, we get one more low into this area, the low $1 region maybe. So it's not the clearest chart at the moment. Be a bit careful here. And in the yellow count, yeah, one more low is still possible. It's only a 3-wave move up. We could also say that the third is actually here. That's the white count actually. The fourth here. Then it does look a bit strange. And we could say if this is a 5th wave and an ending diagonal, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. That is a possible interpretation, especially as long as we stay below the $3.44 level, but I would prefer the yellow count in that case. So again, it is possible. The way I've got the white count, however, that's how I've laid it out. In the yellow count, we would get another low, but the $2 level needs to be broken to the downside to confirm that. In the white count, we might have struck a low in place. When can I say that we've indeed bottomed? Well, I need a 5-wave up move. That's really what I need to see. I really need it to give us 5 waves as per this white microstructure to the upside, because without the 5-wave move, I've got a corrective rally, and it could easily be the 4th wave here in yellow. Resistance, as I said, is between $2.80 and $4.10. And yeah, I can't clearly lean towards something more bullish until I see the 5 waves up. But the short-term trend is up, so I'm providing support areas as well. In case we get the 5 waves, at least we can track it and know when the parameters break. So looking at the 4-hour chart, I still think this here looks also a bit awkward. 1, 2, it doesn't look great. Again, maybe if the low was really in, there's a truncation or something, but on this chart, for now, I see this just as a 3-wave rally. And in the 3rd wave, we might need one more high in wave 5 here. This here could be some kind of a 4th wave consolidation at the moment, maybe as a small triangle, and it might be ready to push higher once more in a 5th wave. Next resistance is the $3.38 level, and there's also structural resistance, not only fib resistance. And in that case, I would then have to adjust the support slightly with the price, but at the moment it's defined between $2 and $2.53. So if the price maybe forms another high, then I have to adjust the support area, then comes down, tests successfully the support area, and then we get a 5th wave. Yeah, then it's pretty clear that the low should be in. Then if that happens, 4, 5, a 3-wave pullback afterwards should provide the next support area, yeah, higher low, and then we can track higher more clearly. At the moment, yeah, it's a bit just a 3-wave move up. It's a bit too high for a wave 4, but not with that yellow wave count. Actually, it's okay, but it's still, you know, it broke out of the trend channel and there's quite a bit of upside momentum, but it's all about the structure. It's not about green candles. It's all about the structure. We just need the 5 waves. So I'll let you know. I will try to update Natgas a bit more regularly again, but the day only has so many hours. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.